At Civil and Environmental Consultants Indianapolis, in particular, we do a lot of construction layout. Using Trimble Connect and reality capture on projects has cut some of our time through our workflows down by 50%. I found out about Trimble Connect at the Trimble Dimensions 2024 conference and attended some classes on it, and was really amazed how we could take the entire engineering, architectural, and combine it into like a GIS format where everybody in all these different professions could be working in the same space.
And we saw the potential of being able to share with anybody any computer power that they may have to see what we are actually collecting and what we're providing for them. We reached out to our partners at Seiler to get as much information as we could, and also to help get us started with using Trimble Connect reality capture.
That generated some questions from them that they could really use this, being that they had just purchased an X9 scanner. That's kind of where we started with the Connect and reality capture.
Todd Jamison and I have known each other for probably 10, 15 years, and he was there with us every step of the way. We had a client call us up and say, hey, we got this unique situation. We have a building that may be off 2 to 3 inches, but we're really not sure where everything ended up. Do you guys own a scanner? And I said, well, sure, we just bought a Trimble X9 scanner. We took the scanner out to a 800,000 square foot building located in Crawfordsville, Indiana, and scanned the interior before the roof was put on.
It was kind of a very fast-track project, because if they didn't resolve this issue, it was going to really slow down the project and potentially put it months behind. So how can we get this data to the customer and collaborate with it to determine where the errors were? And that's where Trimble Connect came in.
The client was able to take the scanned data and view it through the Trimble Connect 3D viewer and the 2D AutoCAD viewer. They could actually go in to the point cloud themselves and measure the distances.
And so this cut several days out of their workflow and allowed them to immediately get that information to their suppliers and their contractors so that they could proceed and avoid major delays or any problems with that bracketing system.
It's so simple for them to get in there and use the viewer. It's just laid out almost perfect for the novice that's never been into AutoCAD. They can get in there and start pulling measurements almost instantaneous.
We're really trying to share such large files, like a full entire point cloud of a whole entire large building. That's a lot of information to pass on, and a lot of people don't have the computing power to manage such a large point cloud.
Prior to using Trimble Connect, we oftentimes had to dumb down the data and provide simplified drawings due to the file size.
And in the past, it had been emails, Dropboxes, or running a thumb drive to the client. And this took the course of over a day or so to get that information to him. With Trimble Connect, we can seamlessly send information back and forth almost in real time. So that's where the big cost savings is, and I think that's where our clients are really excited about us using that and including them on it.
As soon as we get the point cloud collected and registered and georeferenced, we can then share that to Trimble Connect and thus add our client to the team, and then answer any questions and collaborate on any needs that they have.
They can actually do a markup and send us the things to do right inside of Trimble Connect. So it almost creates a path of communication, which is one of the biggest struggles in the construction industry, is not having good communication.
The added benefit that I really see is the speed in which we get data and information moving in between, from field to office, office to field, internally inside the office, and then from there, office to client.
Trimble Connect and reality capture is the right solution for civil and environmental consultants, because at the end of the day, our clients are really happy and satisfied that we can seamlessly communicate with them over projects and through the things to do list on Trimble Connect.